Right now, how many Philippine tankers are plying the international routes?
Um, we have 16 tankers trading overseas, and they are everywhere in the world. But our latest tracking of the location of our tanker ships, five of them are currently in the danger zone in the Middle East, and that's why every day we keep on tracking their locations so that we'll be able to make the necessary interventions if necessary.
So these five tankers are actually in the Strait of Hormuz.
Not necessarily in the Strait of Hormuz, but it's within the danger zone in the Middle East.
And are they stuck or are they, is their journey moving forward?
Since the conflict started in the Middle East, uh, we believe that they have been stuck in various ports in the Middle East. But our marine administrator um, last March 26 uh, made a representation with our Department of Transportation, Department of Foreign Affairs, to allow two Philippine registered ships in the Middle East to transit via the Strait of Hormuz because since the news uh, broke up that the Iranian government would be allowing Philippine registered ships to pass through that area, immediately our administrator made the representation before the Department of Foreign Affairs.
Ano po ang karga ng mga ito? Oil.
Ano po, yung ano po, yung 5 na sinasabi po natin,
Opo.
um, bulk carriers at dalawa po yun ay mga chemical tankers.
Okay.
Yung ano po, yung representation po na ginawa po ng ating marina, ng ating administrator, yung destination po ng cargo ng um, ng mga ships na yon, one is going to China, tapos yung I'll try to recall po yung isa. But yung mga goods po na kini-carry po nila are not bound to the Philippines.
Okay, so they're not pertinent to the oil crisis, to supplying us additional oil.
Ano po kasi, sila po yung na-stuck. So for
Sige.
for for quite some time, nakakarga na po
Okay.
sila eh.
Kamusta na po ang
And
mga
they
pahinante? Mga Pilipino po sila.
So, ito po yung ano, ito po yung isa rin na gusto namin ipaliwanag. When we speak of Philippine registered ships, all Filipino all Filipino crew po yan. Meron din po yung mga foreign registered ships na nag-e-employ ng mixed crew. So ibig sabihin it's a combination of
Right.
Filipinos and seafarers from other countries. But there are also foreign registered ships that employ all Filipino crew.